Good morning, my name is Ethan Knight, and this is my science experiment. And my scientific question is, if a soda bottle has more pressure, will it fizz longer? And so what I'll be doing is I'll shake it 3 times hard, and then I'll set it down, and we have a person who times that will time it accurately. And yeah, so as a reminder, 4, 5, and 6, they've been uncapped, left out for 3 minutes. Then the cap was put back on, and 1, 2, and 3 have not been uncapped yet. So yeah. Okay, so I'll start with 1 because 1 is 1, and so what I'll be doing is I'll shake it 3 times hard, then I'll uncap it. So yeah. Okay. Okay, and stop. Okay, that was soda bottle number 1. So, yeah, big explosion there. Okay, soda bottle number 2. This is the second uncapped. And person, what is the time that you had for it?
I had 12:02.
12 seconds. And okay. This piece of paper really isn't good to write on anymore, I guess. 2. Okay, and so that's about 12 seconds, but yeah. Here's the time for soda bottle number 1. Okay, now soda bottle number 2, I'll do the same thing. Okay. So, stop. Okay, what was the time for that?
7:64.
Oh wow, that's pretty different. Okay, so the time for that one was, let me just, okay, so 7 seconds, 64 milliseconds. Okay. Bottle number 3 was, okay, we'll do that now. Stop. Okay, what was the time for that one?
8:79.
8:79. This one's a lot better to write on. Okay.
Not really.
8. Okay. Now there's the uncapped bottles. I think the uncapped bottles will do a lot, like they will fizz shorter. So let's test if that is true.
Why don't we take the papers away and then you can just put them in after they're done.
Good point. Okay. So here's uncapped bottle number 1. Sure. Oh, underneath. Okay. Okay. Stop.
8:82.
8:82. Sure. I'll leave it right there. Okay. Okay, bottle, uncapped bottle number
Ethan, put the 2 underneath.
underneath the stuff. Sure.
No, that towel. The white one, right next to you. Yeah,
Okay.
there you go.
Uncapped bottle number 2. Stop.
9:49.
Okay, so
At least it protected the paper.
that's true. Okay, that's 9:49. I think I want to wipe some of this off real quick. I'm just gonna do that. There we go. Okay, now that 70% of that bottle is gone, I'll put that over here. That was the most fizz by far. Wow. Okay, and this is my last bottle, uncapped number 3, and we'll go. Okay, now stop.
8.95.
Okay. Let me just. Nice. Okay. Whoa, just here. And that one is 8.95.
95, yep.
Okay, and that one is 8.95. I should probably use. Okay, so this one is 6, 5. That one is 4. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So let me look at the average time fizz. So this was 12. I'm gonna go around to like the nearest nearest half a second. So this is gonna be 12. This one is going to be 12. That was gonna be 750.
9.5 is the total average for the first 3
Great. Okay. Thank you.
calculated.
That's 9,
Secret quick.
7.5, and 12. So this one was 9 seconds, 7.5 seconds, and 12 seconds. So yeah. And then the averages for these soda bottles. So this one was 9 seconds, 9.5 seconds, and 9 seconds. And we will get our percentages of the average time fizzed for these bottles.
And the second row was 9.9 seconds.
9 seconds.
Well, 9.8. Oh, 9.9. Oh, sorry, 9.09. So 9 and 900.
Oh, okay. So the average fizz time for the second row was 9, and the average fizz time for this was what?
9.5.
9.5. So my hypothesis was correct. The capped would fizz longer, and yeah. So that is my science experiment. I will see you later.